Hi, Girlie. I asked Dr. Ruby to arrange this dinner for you with a few of our close friends, your close friends and family. And I don't want to repeat what I've told you before because you already know, but in short, you basically have done such a wonderful, caring, loving job of taking care of your mother and your aunt. And now both of them have passed on, and they passed on much more better than they would have if you didn't do what you were supposed to do. Whatever guilt or regrets you may have regarding your mother and your aunt of you should have done this, you should have done that, or you didn't do enough, I want you to let go and I want you to forget about it. Because you're only one person and you can do the best that you can do, and you did it. So for the last few decades, you basically gave up your own pursuit of personal happiness and some sort of freedom. And perhaps you, just like anybody else, wanted what every other lady wanted. And I think that you kind of sacrificed all of that and put your mom and your aunt in the priority. And in this day and age, it's very commendable. It is very honorable, and it really shows what kind of person you are. And I always joke with you because externally you look fierce, you look wrathful, you look irritable, and basically you look unpleasant. But I know that's not who you are. I know that's not what you are inside, because bad people do not do such good things with their parents and their aunt, and you definitely are not a bad person. So you've done everything that you're supposed to do. You've done everything 100%, financially, spiritually, emotionally, physically. You've done everything. And I want to say that I am very, very proud of you, and I'm very happy. I am not happy that your mother and your aunt has passed away, but I am happy that you did everything for them up to the last minute. So today I've asked Dr. Ruby to arrange a dinner to tell you from me how much I appreciate what you have done, and how much from the depth of my heart, when I think about what you have done, there's a warm feeling inside of me, in my heart. And so I want you now to let go of any remnants of resentment or anger or doubts or sadness, anything that you may or may not have, because you've come a long way in relations to this, and I want you to move on, and I want you to forgive. Ultimately, whatever has happened is a result of our own karma. You know that. You're very faithful in the Dharma, and your yearly retreats of Zambala has blessed you so much to open your mind up more, because Zambala is the Buddha of emotional, spiritual wealth. And if you are able to let go and forgive and move on, then definitely Zambala has blessed you, and he has. So now there's no looking back. Now there's going straight forward all the way. And what I want you to do now is to do Dharma all the way. I want you to do Dharma physically, I want you to do Dharma emotionally, and I want you to use the rest of your life to do Dharma, because that's the best thing for you and your future lives. So I want you to think like that very strongly, that I will do Dharma very, very well. And at this dinner, I would like you to bring the King of Prayers, and I want everybody there to recite with you and have a candle burning, thinking about all the three jewels and your Dharma protector, and all of you to recite the King of Prayers. The King of Prayers. And I want you to dedicate all the years and years and years of service you have done for your mother and your aunt. And they are very fortunate to have you, and you are very fortunate to serve them. I want you to dedicate all those decades of merit strongly by reciting the King of Prayers, so that none of it goes to waste, because you did a great service. So at this dinner, I want you to do that. And I will also, in KH, be sponsoring a beautiful Zambala and Medicine Buddha Puja for you, for your aunt, and for your mother, who both of them, of course, have departed. I'll do a beautiful puja there, have it sponsored to dedicate to you to your aunt, and to your mother for all the deeds and everything that's been done, for their future lives and for you and what you have done. This dinner, this recording, and this puja is my way of telling you I deeply appreciate what you have been doing. Deeply appreciate. And whether you know it or not, it is Dharma. So it's wonderful. Now you go all the way. Don't look back, look ahead. Smile. Have your mind free of any emotions you have inside. Work toward it. Make your mind free. Do your pujas, do your practice, do your retreats, work at KP. Be happy. Smile. Bring people to the Dharma. Talk to customers. Talk to newbies. You volunteer. You do. I want you to be happy. I want you to collect a lot of merit. And I want you to have a good death in the future, and a good rebirth, and another good rebirth, and another good rebirth. I want you to do that. Okay? It's much too early to talk about death for any of us, but it's a fact of life. So keep that in your mind. And everyone there who's at the dinner, I want you to realize the strength, the courage of Girlie, and her devotion, dedication, and her extreme commitment to her duties. And I would like all young and old to see this as an example, and to please be inspired and feel good about this example, and rejoice from your heart while you're reciting the King of Prayers for Girlie. Again, I fold my hands to you, Girlie, and I'm very happy for you and your dedication. It is truly commendable. With much, much, much good wishes, and with great hopes for you to do even more Dharma and full-time Dharma and all the way Dharma, from my heart, with much care and much love, Tsem Rinpoche. Thank you.